AFS Connect offers an easy platform for creating, managing, and editing field boundaries that can be used across your operation. This video will show you a few of the ways you can set up boundaries in your account. If you already have fields set up in a system that can export boundaries as a shapefile, you can use those shapefiles to create your boundaries in AFS Connect. After downloading and zipping the shapefile, make sure you include all three file types shown here: an SHP, an SHX, and a DBF. Then, click on the Add button on the AFS Connect dashboard. Under Upload Data, select Field Boundaries. Select the zipped file with the shapefiles in it. Connect will do an initial read of the file. It will ask you to assign the field column. In most cases, you will select Field from the dropdown. Then select the grower and farm the new boundaries are for. You may need to use the Create button to add a new grower and farm. Click Process. When the system has completed the upload, select the grower, farm, and field to find your new field boundary. The second way to create a new boundary is to use an activity layer. This map layer may have been created in your machine's display during a previous planting, harvest, or application. Once again, use the Add button to choose the file type your activity was saved as. You can see there are a number of options, listed below the CN1 file we are going to use for this example. Select your zipped file. After the initial reading of the file, choose the information you would like to be brought into Connect. Other data sources may not offer all the options you see here. Connect will process the file in the background, keeping you updated in the green bar at the top of the dashboard. When the processing has completed, use the top bar to navigate to the grower, farm, and field you just uploaded to see the new field with boundaries. If you don't see the fields you just uploaded, first make sure you have selected the correct grower and season that your activity layer was created in. If setup data was not included in your file, your fields may be in the Missing Layers tab on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Choose the appropriate search information for your activity and click Load Layers. Select the layer most representative of your field. Then click Draw Field. By clicking Create Field in the toolbox, you can create a new grower, farm, or field as necessary. To edit the field boundary, click on Draw Field. In order to move specific points or remove portions of the layer, click Stop Drawing. Right-click to delete pieces of data not related to the field you are creating. Use the dots to move boundary lines. When the boundary is accurate, click Done and then save the field information. Connect will process the new information, and when it is complete, you'll be able to navigate to the new field with a boundary. The previous methods shown will be the quickest way to set up boundaries for multiple fields. However, if you don't have any previous activity layers or shapefiles available to upload, you can draw each individual field. Use the Add button to create a new field. Use the Draw tool to outline each boundary. You can edit field boundaries using this same method at any time through the Setup menu. Remember, boundaries are required to visualize data sets and work with your agronomic information. Use these methods to set up your field boundaries as soon as possible.